Did you know the same man who figured out how to feed half the world also helped invent chemical warfare? Fritz Haber was a German chemist who cracked one of science's hardest problems. He found a way to pull nitrogen straight from the air and turn it into fertilizer. That discovery feeds roughly 4 billion people alive today. He won the Nobel Prize for it. But Haber had another project. In April 1915 at Ypres, Belgium, he oversaw the release of 150 tons of chlorine gas along a 4-mile stretch of Allied trenches. Soldiers described a yellow-green cloud rolling toward them. Then the burning, then the suffocating. Thousands died. He came home to his wife Clara. She was also a chemist. She had begged him to stop. That night, she walked into their garden and shot herself with his military pistol. Their young son ran out and found her. Fritz Haber left for the Eastern Front the next morning. He never stopped. Some people leave a legacy. He left too, and there is no way to hold them together.